decided that I'm not gonna fall for the typical 9 to 5, paycheck to paycheck lifestyle. So, this is what I'm doing instead. I'm building wealth through day trading, financial literacy, assets, all while building a legacy and being here with my son presently
on my own terms.
Look, I don't know about you, but my time is really important to me, okay? Like every moment matters. And so that's why making the decision to build at home and learn a digital skill set where I can turn that into assets, turn that into digital currency, it's a huge deal. It's a big deal for me. Oh, snap! Hey, it's overflow. Hey, we're all about overflow, right, Poppy? You can never have too much. So in the beginning, it was a little hard for me to try to learn day trading, right? Like I'm on YouTube, I'm on Google, I'm searching up, all places, all platforms to learn this skill. And then what I come to find out, even though there's a lot of good information, like YouTube University is great. Like learning from different, resources is always going to be a great thing. But ultimately, the best thing to do, and that I've come to find out the best thing that has worked for me to learn how to day trade is to learn from private communities. Why? Because they take it seriously, right? They're gonna take their years of experience and credible experience of learning the skill set and then putting it in a condensed format for people to learn, right? Because if you go on YouTube, you don't really know like if you can trust these people, right? Like there's so many different strategies, there's so many different ways to know this skill set and to teach it. And so it's kind of hard to know for sure, if these people are actually making the money that they say that they're making. But if you have a private community and you have people who are literally, right, there's sources out there that shows proof that they have earned and it's documented that they've earned these earnings and that they've been doing it for all these years. For me, it just gives me a lot more peace of mind, right, to trust them. And that's what really took my trading to the next level, because community is also going to hold you accountable, right? Like if you're on day trading and you're learning a skill and you're trying to do it yourself, sometimes you might show up for yourself, sometimes you might not, right? But a community, I kid you not, you guys, I open up my phone every single day and I'm getting loads and loads and loads of messages, loads of texts and everything like that, and chats of people saying like, look at this, this is how much I made. Look, you guys, let's get to the bag today. Wake up, let's grind. Like it's lit. There's so much. It's high energy, right? And it's very encouraging and welcoming to be in a space like that. So I think that if you are starting out new, definitely try whatever floats your boat. But if you want to take it serious, like if you want to be a 6-figure trader, like if you really want to make 5-figure withdrawals on a monthly basis, right? Then you're going to actually need true community, true leadership. And so that's why I've gotten into that section, that sector, and it's definitely changed my life. It's changed my life. What do you know about these chocolate pandas, though? What do y'all know about these chocolate pandas? Well, do you really know? You need to find out, though. Costco. I'm going to drop it in the description. Parents, please take into consideration your children's future. I mean, I can't stress it enough. Like, you got to leave something behind for your kids. You have to leave something, right? And in the beginning, if you're feeling like, oh my goodness, like trying to make all this money and trying to create all this income for them in the beginning, like I wouldn't even worry too much about that. What I would worry about, or what I would focus on, is financial education. Just get educated, get literate in this space, right? And do so in a way where it's going to stick, right? Don't just learn to learn and not apply it, right? Do it to where it's going to stick. And so that's why, being with people, having accountability partners is so key, is so huge. And I think that clearly you clicked on this video for a reason. And so if you're looking to take your education and financial literacy to the next level, click the link in the description in my down below, and let's get you partnered with the right people to take you to the next level. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ciao.